Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm excited to do this video for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful kit I got sent from Modelones nail company, and here I am opening the bag for you guys. I was so excited. I was able to pick from their different collections, and I believe they had a red collection and a purple one, and I went with the pink one. Here it is. It is so cute. This is a complete nail starter kit. I will leave the link down in the description box for you guys to check them out. And I believe I also have a discount code. I will get back to you or add it down below as well. Here is everything that is included in the kit. As you guys can see, it has a lot of stuff. And I was so excited to try this out. Just the packaging itself, I saw it, and honestly, it has been the nicest and cutest bag I've received from items they sent me to try out. You guys can see you have files here. You have the little mini lamp that it has a USB cable. So what I really love about this kit is that it includes everything you need to complete a gel application, and here it pretty much has everything. The only thing I added additionally was alcohol pads, which I used to clean the nail right before application. But other than that, you pretty much have everything you need. And here are all the items. And I also have to add that I am really impressed with the quality of each item. The packaging of the gel polishes was beautiful. They look so like sleek and soft. The pusher works really good. This little nail lamp is really practical and really nice as well. The files are compact and perfect for, taking it if you're like on vacation and want to do a set for yourself. So everything looks really good quality. Here's a lamp. The only thing about the lamp, I had a really difficult time opening the little legs for it. I did struggle a little bit. I just took it off because it was taking too long recording it. But I did end up having to use something to lift it up. So you might want to have something to be able to open the legs with because they were really like tight in there. But once I got that out, it was a piece of cake. I just plugged it in and put it into my USB adapter, and that was it. You're able to cure the four fingers, and then I just did the thumbs separate. But this is so perfect, like I said, if you are on vacation and want to take the whole kit, and in case you chip a nail or you want to do your nails, this is perfect because it's so small and practical. You can take it anywhere with you. I gotta say, the packaging for this collection is so adorable. It is really nice and like slim and sleek looking. It looks really nice. The material of the each bottle feels like really soft, like velvety. I just really love this presentation. I feel like it looks really sleek and nice. The base coat and top coat have a different color, so you are aware of which ones they are. The consistency was good, not too watery, not too thick. Was a few hairs on some of the base and top coat, I believe, but nothing that can't be just you can clip off the little piece of hair. But the bristle is fine. It's like the perfect shape to get in there, like close to the cuticle area. Here is the top coat, I believe, and the same. The consistency is perfect, not too watery and or not too thick. I chose the pink collection. I believe there's a red and purple or blue. They're so soft. They just feel really soft. I was thinking the number was on the bottom, but halfway in the video I noticed that there's a number on the back. Show the numbers just in case you guys are wondering which number each color is. So this is the first color. I gotta say all the colors are really pretty, but I really love the darker tones. They are gonna be perfect for fall. I actually used it already on my sister, you guys will see, and we fell in love with that dark tone. Even these lighter colors are really pretty. I love all of them, like the pale, this is like a pink, a pale pink. There's more like an orangey color or like mauvey color. That one, I'm sorry I suck at describing colors, but this color is beautiful too. Like I had a hard time, we had a hard time picking out which color we wanted to use for this video. But I do really love every color, and as you guys can see, just with one coat it gives it really good coverage, but of course I like to do two coats. The consistency of the colors to me is perfect. It's a little bit on, not as watery, a little bit thicker, which is good because it gives you more of a um, control of your application. The color of the bottle looks really dark, but it doesn't actually look like this. I feel like it's looking more like a black or like brown tone. It was actually like a really dark burgundy color, like berry dark, like brown. It's hard to describe it, but man, these three colors are beautiful. I love them. You guys can see the packaging is just on point. Just all these colors, I gotta say, I love all of them, and I will definitely be using all of them because I really love using like neutral colors, especially like on my toes. But then I also love all those darker tones, and I am so excited to use these for fall. So as you guys can see, here I am. I'm going to be using the pusher to push back her cuticles just very lightly, nothing crazy. Her nails are short and we didn't want to like put any tips or anything for this video. I just wanted to kind of show you guys some of the colors. We ended up choosing two colors just to show you. Here are the files. I ended up using the second one just to shape it a little bit and then go over the nail. You don't want to like scrape off the real nail. You would just want to give it a light buff, nothing crazy. Light buff to remove any of the shine on the nail bed, and at the same time I like to file upwards to remove any dead skin around the nail just to ensure a better adhesion. So I will let you guys see the application now, and I'll stop talking just so you guys can see what I'm doing. I gotta say, I really love this collection. There is nothing negative I have to say about this brand. I love the application. I love the packaging. I love the durability of it. My sister still has her nails done, no chippings. Pretty much nothing negative to say. The only thing was I think two of the bottles had some of the bristles a little bit out, but I just clipped them and it was no big deal. Mini lamp does need to be had a hard time with the little legs, but it was just minimal, really unimportant things. Besides that, I definitely recommend this kit. Like I said, I will leave all the information you guys need to purchase this at Modelones.com, and really love this brand. I've purchased from them before, and this package was sent to me, but honestly, I really do love it, and I think it is priced very, very reasonably. So go ahead and check them out if you want to get this awesome kit. And like I said, I'll let you guys see the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Like always, I look forward to talking to you guys on my next video. I hope you like this video and I will talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.